Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, today we have to start the new chapter, that is angles and their measurement. So as you all can see that I have drawn some types of angle. I will be explaining you about each and every type of angle one by one. So as you all can see in the first image, I have written I means interior, and I have written E means exterior. So I is interior of the angle and E is the exterior of an angle. First of all, let me tell you that what is an angle. हम angle, what is the definition of angle and how it is defined. So let's get started without wasting time, students. The figure formed with two rays with the same initial point is called an angle. तो दो रेज जो आपस में एक ही इनिशियल पॉइंट से स्टार्ट होती हैं, उनसे जो फिगर फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन एंगल. सो एज यू ऑल कैन सी इन एवरी इमेज, the figure is formed by two rays and the initial point is same. That means both the rays have the same starting point, and we all know that ray has only one starting point or a end point. या तो एक starting point होगा या एक end point होगा. So I hope it is clear about the angle. What is an angle? The angle is it's a ray angle is formed by two rays which start from the same initial point. How it is formed? It is formed by two rays which starts from the same initial point. So as you all can see in the first image, I means interior of the angle and E means exterior of the angle. ठीक है? Now in the second image, I have drawn a right angled triangle. What is a right angled triangle? A right angled triangle is having a measure of 90 degree. Okay? And in the third image, I have written A. A means acute angled triangle. Now what is acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle means the angle which is less than 90 degree. Okay? अगर आपका राइट एंगल जो है, जो आपने एंगल बनाया है दो रेस से, if it is less than 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. But if it is more than 90 degree, then we call it obtuse angle. Now what is an obtuse angle? I have drawn the image of an obtuse angle, fourth image. So as you all can see that it is greater than 90 degree. 90 degree से ज़्यादा है. If it is less than 90 degree, then it is an acute angle. And in the fifth image, what I have drawn a straight angle. S means straight angle. The angle which is of 180 degree straight line. So that is called a straight angle. Now if you can see in the sixth image, I have drawn a reflex angle. देखिए जो बाहर से measure होगा outside, it is greater than 180 degree. यानी कि straight line से भी वो नीचे की तरफ बना होगा. That means it can be 190 degree, 120 degree, 270 डिग्री. और अगर आप पूरा राउंड मेजरमेंट करते हैं टोटली, देन इट इज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. हाउ? आई विल एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू, सो प्लीज पे अटेंशन. So students, as you all can see that I have drawn a straight line, but the round measurement, that means 180 degree up and 180 degree down, is equals to 360. 180 plus 180 is 360. So if you will take a round measurement, that means it is of 360 degree. Now you must be aware about a protractor. First of all, I ask all the students to purchase a geometry box of mathematical instruments if you do not have. अगर आपके पास है, or yeah, else you can take from your दीदी भैया, like brother, sister or your seniors. अगर आपके घर में किसी के भी पास है तो you can use that, or else you have to purchase a geometry box which contains mathematical instruments like protractor, compass, divider, set square, scale, right? Because we are studying geometry and we all need these things in order to perform the various questions, in order to solve the questions, that is construction based question. Okay students, so 180 up and 180 down is equals to 360. So I hope you must have understood up to this. Now moving on to the next topic, students. Now students, can you see this figure? In this figure, there are some angles which we are going to name one by one. So let's begin. First of all, I will make angle number 1. So please pay attention, students.
So students, angle number 1 is equals to angle APS. How I have named this angle? Angle APS. P will be the middle point, right? Now if I want to name this angle, that is 2, angle number 2. So it will be angle PQM. What it will be? It will be angle PQM. In the same way, we will name the other angles also. Now students, you have to name angle 3 and angle 4 in the comment section. What is the name of angle 3 and angle 4? Kindly pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Name of angle 3 will be angle BQL, या फिर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, angle LQB. The only condition is that Q should lie in the middle. If I talk about angle 4, it will be angle RPQ, और you can also call it angle QPR. दोनों सही है, बस P आपका बीच में होना चाहिए. So let's name these angles also. So students, can you see the name of the angles? Angle 4 is angle RPQ or angle QPR, both are correct. Angle 3 is angle LQB or angle BQL, both are correct. Q was only in middle and in angle 4 P was in middle. So in the same way we will name the other angles also. So please pay attention students. So students, as you all can see that I have mentioned the names of angle 5 and angle 6. One names I have given for angle 5. It is angle BQM. By mistaken I have written angle 5 in place of 6, angle 6 in place of 5. Let me correct it first. Now students, name of angle 5 is angle MQB. So you have to give the other name in the comment section. And name of angle 6 is angle SPQ. Give one more name to angle 6 in the comment section. Now we will move to the next topic of this chapter. So students, the next topic is vertex of an angle. Now what is a vertex of an angle? The vertex of an angle is the point at which the two rays meet to form the angle. So as you all can see that PQ and QR meet at the point Q. So Q will be the vertex of angle PQR. In the same way, the ray AB and the ray BC meets at the point B. So B will be called the vertex of the angle. So I hope you must have understood about vertex. Vertex of an angle is the point at which the two rays meet. Now moving on to the next topic, students. So students, the next topic is number of angles. So how many angles are there in the first figure, that is triangle PQR? In total, how many angles are formed in the triangle PQR? So number of angles that are formed in the triangle PQR are 3 angles. कितने angles बन रहे हैं? 3 angles बन रहे हैं. The name of the angles are angle QPR, where P is the vertex, angle QRP, where R is the vertex, and angle RQP, where Q is the vertex. So I am naming all the angles. Kindly pay attention, students. So students, I have named all the angles in the given triangle. Now let's move on to the second image. How many angles are there in the second image? You have to tell me. So as I can see that there are 2 triangles. ठीक है, जो second image है वो 2 triangles से मिलके बनी है. So 3 plus 3, total 6 angles plus 2 more angles. That is, there are 8 angles in this given figure. How I am going to tell it right now. So students, how many angles are there? There are 8 angles. I have named all of them. First one is angle DAB, जहाँ पे मैंने 1 लिखा है. Second one is angle ABD, that is 2. Third one is angle ADB, that is angle number 3. Fourth one is angle BDC, angle number 4. Fifth one is angle DCB, angle number 5. Sixth one is angle CBD. Now the seventh one will be angle ABC. बीच वाली लाइन को अगर आप हटा दें तो one angle is formed by the combination of angle number 2, angle number 6. It is angle number 7. And the last angle is, which is formed by the combination of angle 3, angle 4. So it is angle ADC and the name of the angle is 8. So in total, how many angles are there? There are 8 angles. So I hope you must have understood how to count the angles also in the given figure. So now the next exercise, that is the first exercise of this chapter, is totally based on the concept of this video. So I want all the students to try the questions of the exercise after watching this video. And if you have any problems, any queries after solving the questions, you can comment down in the comment section. I will explain all the questions to you if you have any queries. पर पहले आप इसको खुद से try करेंगे. You all will try it on your own. So I hope you must have understood. If there is any problem, any query, comment down in the comment section. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.